Fuel surcharge is one of the most common accessorial charges we see added to load invoices. This month, we just wanted to touch on the variety of ways you can implement fuel surcharge rating. The billing method on the item's profile determines what the rate is going to be multiplied by. If we use this item on an order, the rate will be multiplied by the total line haul amount. You can store and update the rate right here in the item profile. The rate in the profile will be used when the item is added to a new order. Let's say you're okay with this default rate on the item level for most of your shippers, but you have a couple that need a different rate. You can create a sales profile entry for them where you've changed the rate. When you import the sales profile for orders for this shipper, you'll see the sales profile rate come in instead. You can manage and update fuel surcharge rates in the profile editor. When the fuel surcharge rate changes, you can update it right from here. The next level of fuel surcharge rating is using a scale. You can use this if the fuel surcharge rate for a shipper fluctuates based on the current DOE Index. The DOE Index is regularly updated in its own table, and the shipper has a scale that determines what the fuel surcharge rate will be based on the current DOE price per gallon. When the fuel surcharge item is brought in manually or by the sales profile, the rate gets pulled from the scale based on where the DOE index falls. This rate takes precedence over any other stored rate, but if a rate can't be found in the scale, the next default rate in line will be used. That's it for this month's tips. You can learn more about fuel surcharge rating by searching for the term in the knowledge base or reach out to our support desk.